Is meat good for you, or is it harming your health? The debate has been going on for years, and today we're breaking it all down so you can make the best choice for your body. Now, what is red meat and processed meat? Red meat refers to meat from mammals that are not poultry, and it gets its name from its red color when raw. Common examples of red meat include beef, pork, lamb, venison, and boar. Processed meat, on the other hand, is any meat that has been preserved through methods like smoking, curing, salting, or adding preservatives. Examples of processed meats include bacon, sausages including hot dogs, ham, salami, pepperoni, deli meats such as turkey, chicken, and roast beef cold cuts, corned beef, pastrami, jerky, beef jerky, turkey jerky, canned meats like spam or canned corned beef, meat-based spreads such as pate. These meats have undergone processing to enhance flavor, extend shelf life, or change their texture. Meat contains protein, vitamins, and essential minerals like iron and B12. It helps build muscles, keep you energized, and support brain function. But not all meat is created equal. So while lean meats like chicken and turkey are great options, red and processed meats have some risks. Studies suggest that eating too much red meat like beef, lamb, and pork may increase the risk of heart disease and even certain cancers. So how much meat is too much? Health experts recommend keeping red and processed meat intake below 70 grams per day. That's about 3 thin slices of roast beef or a small burger. But it's not just about how much meat you eat. It's also about how you cook it. Cooking meat at high temperatures like grilling or frying can create harmful substances that may increase the risk of certain diseases. When meat is cooked at very high heat, especially during grilling, frying, or barbecuing, it can form harmful chemicals. HCAs, heterocyclic amines, develop when the proteins in meat react to high temperatures. Studies suggest that eating a lot of these may increase the risk of some cancers, like those affecting the colon or stomach. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons come from smoke when fat drips onto an open flame. That smoke can stick to the meat, and research links PAH to higher risk of lung, skin, and digestive cancers. Now, to lower these risks, marinate meat before cooking. Some marinades can help reduce harmful chemicals. Cook at lower temperatures. Baking, steaming, or slow cooking are safer. Avoid charring. Cut off any burnt or blackened parts. Flip meat frequently to cook evenly without burning. Choose leaner cuts to reduce fat drippings that create smoke. To stay healthy, go for lower temperature cooking methods like baking, boiling, or steaming. And if you love grilling, try marinating your meat to reduce these harmful compounds. Are you looking for healthier choices? Go for lean meats like skinless chicken, fish, or plant-based proteins like lentils and beans. Balance is key. It's okay to enjoy red meat in moderation, but mixing it up with other protein sources is even better. At the end of the day, it's about making informed choices. Eat a variety of proteins, cook meat wisely, and enjoy your meals in balance. What's your take on meat? Let's know in the comments. Remember, your health is in your hands. Subscribe for more health tips. Like and share this video with others so they can also learn too. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Let's make smarter food choices together. I love you. Until next time, eat healthier and see you in the next one.